Hello everyone, myself Himanshu, and today I am going to be analyzing one Indian stock and as well as one US stock. Welcome to my channel. So, first, I will give you a caution that I am just a learner and I am a medical student. I am not a registered stock advisor. So, do your own diligence and do your own research. So, don't take my stock analysis as a stock recommendation. So, take care of that thing. So, let's start video. So, first, I will go on Google. So, I will open a ticker tape. So let's analyze which stock should we analyze. Let's have analyze the hot stock, which is Adani Enterprise. So give me 1 second that my phone has been disconnected. So give me just 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. So I will connect. So again, welcome back again. I have connected. So let's have analysis of Adani, just refresh it why it is not working. Sometimes it happens. So Adani, not Adani Greens and Adani Enterprise. So, so why, like what can I say? Very funny thing has happened because of Hindenburg research. Hindenburg's report. It has been down by 66%. It has been dropped from 3000 rupees to just 1017 rupees, and it has gone from that to 55% again. It has because don't go on the percentages because it percentage depends on the initial as well as final value. So depend because the value of final value has come down to here 1017 for the loss, and for profits initial final value has been this, and initial value has gone down. So uh, this percentage might be like lucrative, and it will be greater than this. So it has gone up, I will say, 500 rupees up. And what is Adani Enterprises? So I will say that I have done nothing. So I'm just looking at the stock right now. So commodities trading. It is a large cap company with a market cap of 178k crore, and it is high risk. Price to earning ratio is 229. So let me give you an example. Let me give you an example that you purchase a house of worth 1 crore rupees, and you will earn 1 crore rupees every single year. That means price of the house is 1 crore rupees and earnings of the house is 1 crore rupees every single year. That means price to earning ratio is 1. That means what is the house price is equal as the earnings which are coming from the house rentals or whatever thing may be. That means the for Adani Enterprises, price to earning ratio is 229.78. That means for its earning of 1 rupee, its valuation is 213 times higher. So that is not a good sign. Dividend yield is low. That means it's a good sign that company might be growing. So that's a good sign. We should one thing I would say that we should not purchase that kind of company which has a high dividend yield, because those kind of companies are just stable. So financial trend. So it has been going up, down, and down, up, profits are also not rising, yes, but I will say that in 2022 profits revenues have been very high, but profits are very low because there was an income of 40 crore rupees and 0.92 crore of profit, while income has gone almost 1.78 times, but profit has not been that I was that much. So uh, let's go on financial statements. uh, Income, so income is greater, market share has been increasing, that is a good sign. Income has grown at a yearly rate of negative 4.7%. That means that is not a good sign. Income should grow. That means negative means income has been declining. That is not a good sign. So let's look at the total revenues. Uh, for me, for me, which type of companies I am looking? Those are companies I will be picking, and I just pick those kinds of companies whose revenues and profits are continuously rising. Not even a single time it has not rose. So I will be picking those kinds of companies currently even. So total revenue has been up, down, somewhat up, and it has gone up to the levels of 2028, 2016 to 2018, up, up, down again, and up again, up. So EBITDA, I will not be looking at the EBITDA, profit before interest and taxes. So up, down, too much down, too much down, down, down. It's too low. It has been rising, profit before taxes. So 16 up, down, too down, too much down, too much down. So if I calculate from PBI to profit before interest and taxes and profit before taxes, look here that Adani Enterprise is giving too much amount of its revenues to the interests. Look at this, 1000 crore, 1300 crore a year, and look here, 200, 2000 crore, sorry, 2000 crore rupees have gone into interests only. So that is not a good sign for me. Earnings per share decreasing, 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 again increasing, decrease. So it is been volatile. It is not a continuous growth. So now look at the balance sheet. So balance sheet, debt to equity ratio lower, uh, higher than industry current ratio. So 5 years. So its industry current ratio is also good. So fine. So what is the thing happened with Adani Enterprise and all the stocks of Adani? Is that it has been alleged that Adani have artificially manipulated the stocks, and it has it have uh, it has increased the value of its stocks artificially, manipulated by manipulation, and it has um, taken the loan from the bank by landing the stock soil. Hmm, I don't have that particular word, but I will say pledging in the stock market. Simply, it is called pledging. So pledged shares. So as the valuation at the high valuation, that if the valuation of the shares is 1 lakh rupees, so equal amount of loan is issued to the Adani company. So when the valuation goes higher and higher, share price goes higher. So at that price, Adani have taken the loans, and as the share price goes down, So that is the thing that this is not a good thing that a bank might go bankrupt because of this thing. So but RBI has asked to the banks, but banks have said that they don't have that much amount of exposure to the Adani stocks. So that is a good thing, but who knows after the complete investigation goes and that kind of bad things come out and just stock market crashes. So that thing might happen. So that is the thing, but definitely LIC has lost its too much amount, like 18,000 crore rupees in just one single day. So assets coming back, assets assets have been decreasing and increasing. Like why is not like going? So from here, I would just skip that. I will be not be investing in the Adani stock, Adani Enterprise. So net current assets 3170. So total assets are 101k. Current liabilities are 43.489. Non-current liabilities, total liabilities. So total assets are 101k and total liabilities are 74k. So that means liabilities are around 70% of the total assets. So it's fine. I will say that you should not invest in the companies whose total liabilities are greater than 70%. I would say greater than 70. For me, greater than 70% of the total assets, you should not invest in those companies. But definitely, one thing I would admit that there are some sectors in which they are highly debt oriented, like banking sector as well as real estate. So those are high debt game. So the in those kind of sectors you should look on other things also, but again for the stock market, SEBI has a mandate that for real estate investment trusts, those are called as REITs. For those companies, total debt should not exceed 50% or 80%. I think it's I think 50%, 50% of the total assets. So SEBI has mandated that. So that's a good thing for in retail investors especially. So okay, uh, hmm, okay, fine. 70% is good. So cash flow, looking at the cash flow, that positive, negative, negative, positive, negative. Like it is positive, negative, positive, negative, as well as equal amount of negative. Working capital, positive, negative, positive, negative. So like why? But why is so much volatility in this thing? Capital expenditure has been increasing continuously. Free cash flow is here 1400k. It is negative, negative, and negative 10,000 crore rupees. So that is not a good thing overall. So I would say its balance sheet is good, but the income statement and cash flow didn't interest me. So definitely I would not invest in Adani Enterprises currently. And also like investors are currently scared. So let me just market mood indicator. I will show you that mood indicator that investors are currently scared. So fear and greed index, it's also by ticker type. So it's extreme fear. So that means you should be investing in these stocks currently. When there is a one professional quote by Warren Buffett that when everybody is fearful, you should be greedy, and when everybody is greedy, you should be fearful. So that's the thing that this is the time that you should invest. So, and I was investing heavily. past like 4 to 5 months, and now I was just standing on the cash. So now this is the time for me. I will be investing in the stocks which are now on the proper valuation, and I think those stocks are investable. So that is done, and now let's go on the screen now. So I will be searching Adani Enterprises. So business interest in various areas, economic areas, mining, integrated resource management, infrastructure such as airport, rail, roads, metro, water, data centers, solar manufacturing, agro defense, etc. Things. Okay, fine. Pros and cons. Debt pays have improved from. Okay, fine. Trading at 5.73, this is low interest coverage ratio. Return on equity payout has been low, 11.9. Profits over the last 3 years. So that's not a good thing, but definitely I would say its competitor is Reddington. So definitely, uh, in the just previous video, I have analyzed the Reddington stock financially as well as technical analysis, and I have said that I will be not investing in Reddington currently because for technical analysis, I will let the stock price go down, and then at the its proper valuation, I will be investing in the Reddington. Though although I have made enough amount of profit from that stock, so that's a good thing. Profit loss, we have seen that balance sheet and cash flow. And shareholding, let's look at the shareholding pattern. That is share promoter holding is 70 around 75%. That is not a good thing, that high promoter holding. Then FIS are India Orchestra Fund and LTS APM Fund. DIIs are LIC. Public are retail investors like us. So that so now let's go on the technical analysis. So I will be opening trading view. So let me just log in. Why is this bullshit happening? I don't know. So let me just log in. Why is this happening? This should not have happened. Sorry to say, sorry for the interruption. uh, please please just give me 1 second. So this should not have happened. So if this goes again, so I will have to open another website. So mm, sorry, just give me 1 second. So time is running. So I will open another website, that is um, marketplace. Was that marketplace? No, no, just give me technical analysis for stock. Hmm, online. So Investopedia is Investopedia. Should I open Investopedia? Let's open just Investopedia. So let me just search the stock. uh, mm, Adani Enterprises. Adani Enterprise. Why is this happening? Sorry to say. Let me just open online. I have written, but sorry. It was not Investopedia. It was investing.com. So I will be opening investing.com. So search for Adani Enterprise. So this is Adani Enterprises Limited. So I can't like make those advanced charts on the investing.com. So sorry to say, currently just bear with me. uh, so yes, here it is. Let me just give you. So it is neutral. So 1 day, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. So candle chart pattern. So mm, let me make because of Hindenburg report, it has been down by 66%. So it doesn't matter to uh, look at the technical analysis because how much uh, it's um, it was pricing up at this level at 2021. So almost 1 year, 7 year market cap has been gone in just 2 days. So mm, so it doesn't matter. So I won't say that this stock is even mm, I should make the technical charts. So that is the thing. So now coming to the conclusion, should I invest in the Adani Enterprise? Definitely, I will not invest. So don't take it as a stock recommendation because what works for me might not work for you also. So for currently, I will not be investing in Adani Enterprise because of volatility in its revenues as well as interest payment is too high. Profits are not that much. It has been volatile. Capital expenditure and balance sheet is also good, but I would say I will not be investing in Adani stock, and because uh, currently it has been said that Adani has been involved in the stock manipulation. So lots of negative news running in the market. So I will not be investing in the Adani stock. So that's all for today.
Damn. Yeah.